Hi everyone, it's Miss Sue. Today we're doing a water pollution observation. So I thought it'd be a great activity to do since Earth Day is April 22nd. And this activity is going to help us become more aware and responsible of where we put our trash so that we can keep our oceans clean and our planet Earth clean as possible. All right, so here we have our setup. I have drawn on the construction paper two containers. So one is dirty and one is clean for our corresponding jars that we have filled up with both trash as well as the clean water. We also have my colored pencils right by the side of my paper for easy access once I get started with my observation and discussion. So now that you're all set up, you're ready to start your observations. So go ahead and grab one of your jars. So grab the jar with all the trash in it. So as you can see, we have a lot going on in there. From trash, plastic, even dirt. So all that represents the trash that you may or may not see at the beach and in our oceans. So go ahead and record your findings through drawings on your construction paper. And then when you're all done with that, you can grab your other jar or container. So this one's going to be the one that's filled with clean water. So this one's going to be the clean water. And as you can see, a big difference from the one with the trash in it. So go ahead and have a discussion all about how to keep our oceans clean, as well as where to put our trash. Have fun. And there we have it. That was our water pollution observation activity. So I hope you all got a chance to record your findings and your observations on your construction paper. Also, I hope you all got a good discussion in about clean and dirty water, how to maintain our oceans clean and our water supplies clean too, like how to throw trash away, how to reduce, reuse, and recycle,